To achieve this curly hairstyle, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. If you're new, I'm Mika, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. To add some extra moisturizing effect to my hair, I'm using the Motion hair lotion, and as you can see, the consistency is quite thick. So now I'm emulsifying it by rubbing my hands together and applying it to my hair, and this will help to add some moisture to my hair while my hair is under the dryer drying. I am also using the Tresemme heat protector to protect my hair while I'm under the dryer, and just spraying it all over the hair, ensuring that all the sections are covered. The good thing about this heat protector is that it can protect your hair up to 450 Fahrenheit. So it is very good, and it also had some amount of softness to the hair, and the smell is not very strong. It is a quite pleasant scent, and the price range is not bad. It's quite affordable, and I love how it makes my hair feel. Next, I go in with the Nairobi Rapid Sheen Foaming Lotion, and I just use a couple pumps of it and apply it right throughout my hair, all over the front, the back, the side, everywhere. What I love about the Nairobi Foaming Lotion is that even though you might use a lot, it does not make your hair feel stiff. It does not make your hair feel dry, and I love that. For this style, I'll be wearing a center part, and so I am using the tail of my comb to create that parting. Of course, it's not going to be straight or perfect, and if you have ever tried to do a center part, you know the struggle of getting your parting straight, much less to get it into the center. Next, I'm going to go in and section off the front section from the back, and that is where I'm going to start putting in my rollers at the front. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give the video a like, and if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm making my first parting to place my first roller, and the rollers that I'll be using are some small rollers, so the size of the rollers will determine the size of the curl and also how curly the style will come out. So these rollers that I'm using are very small, and they'll be rolling onto the hair multiple times, which will mean that the style will come out very curly. To secure the rollers, I'm using roller clips, and I'm interlocking it so that it will be firmly locked. If you are interested in seeing a more detailed roller placement technique, then I'll leave a video in the description link below for you to see and follow how to roller set your hair at home. Now that the front section is completed, I am going to start adding rollers to the back section, and I'm going to start from the crown area all the way down towards the nape area. And just like that, it is completed. Now the setting that I use at the back is called brick lane or block setting, and as you can see, in between two rollers there's a roller in the middle that blocks that opening, so that will prevent you from seeing roller marks when the rollers are pulled out of the hair. To dry my hair, I did sit under the dryer for some time, and then I left it overnight for it to fully dry, and that is how the curls are looking. To add some sheen to the finished hairstyle and a little extra moisture, I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, and it is nice and creamy. It doesn't weigh down your hair, and that is what I love about this hair lotion. As you know, curly hairstyles usually are more drier than hairstyle that we wear that are straight, and so adding extra moisture to your hair while wearing a curly hairstyle will let your curls last longer and look more hydrated.